So today we will tell you what to do if your Facebook account has been hacked and you are not able to log in. There are two types of things in this also. We will tell you both, okay? And you will be told these methods that Facebook recommends. Through these, maximum accounts that get hacked, they return to normal. Alright? This is a completely genuine way. You don't have to fall into anyone's trap. You just have to follow these steps and wait for your account to come back. Now for this. Let me go to the private window. I have opened it here. If you want, you can follow these steps on your mobile also. There are no such issues. So now here we have entered Facebook. You have to enter Help Center and search on Google. When you write this, the option of facebook.com Help Center will appear here. Then you have to click here. As soon as you click here, you have to write in the search bar, Facebook account hacked. So as soon as you write hacked, it comes here. Okay, now here friends, there can be many different situations when someone's account get hacked. But in this course, we will give you multiple videos on multiple situations regarding hacking. Right now, the most common issue that people face is that either their accounts has been hacked or someone else is using it without their permission. So look friends, if you are already logged into your account and you feel that someone else is using it without your consent, then there is nothing to worry about. There is no trick to tell you about it. Using the settings, you just have to change your password by accessing username and password, and as we taught you in this course, by going to privacy security. You have to log out from all the other devices on which you are logged in. That's all you have to do. Now let's talk about the fact that you don't have access at all. Okay, you are not able to log in. For that you have to click on this one. Click on the first hack. Now look here. Let me explain this before starting the process. Suppose if your account has been hacked, then you might have noticed that your email address or its password might have changed. Your name or date of birth may have changed. Or your friend request may have been sent to many people whom you do not know. If messages are being sent or posts, ads are being added. So these are the kinds of things you get to know from people because you are not able to log in. You will get to know that someone is seeing posts from your account. Such and such activities are happening, or you might know things through mail. So these things will happen. But you can easily avoid all of this. There is no need to panic. You have to click on Get Started here. As soon as you click here, you will be asked some questions here. Does anyone else have access to your account? Okay, so someone else has gained access to your friends. You could be talking about your friends' accounts, or you could be talking about you and your friends' accounts, etc. But we are talking about someone else. Gained access to my account, that's what we're talking about. If someone else has access to your account, then we'll click here. Here it will ask us question. Are you able to log in? Or you are not able to log into your account. So if you are able to log in, then the first option, here I have already explained. Change your password and go to your security settings and log out from everywhere, that is from all other devices. That's all you have to do. Let us talk about the fact that you are not able to log in. So for that you have to click here, no, I can't log in. As soon as you click here, then go to yes, I can access the phone number or email address on the account. If you are able to access the phone number and email address on the account, then there is no problem and you can just change it. But if you are not able to access that account, your Facebook account with your phone number and mail ID, then you have to click here. As soon as you click here, Facebook login identify. So Facebook will also identify you, right? You will be verified by it because anyone can do this for anyone else's account. So you have to click here. As soon as you click here, your account is created from whatever mail ID or whatever mobile number you used to create it. Put it here. Okay. So as soon as I put it here, Shashi Smarty 42 @ Gmail. .com. Okay, we entered this and searched here. Now as soon as we searched, what did come up? Use my Google account. Okay, send code via email. Now I ask it to send the code on my email. So do the way I am doing it here. Click on it. Because email or number, if you had entered your number, you would have received a code on your number. I have entered the email, so I got the code there. See, it arrived in the email 272118. Put the code 272118, all right, and I will continue this. As soon as I continue this, so here they will give me that you create your password. Create your password. Here it should be more than 6 characters, at least 6 characters or more. So enter your password here and continue. Then you log in with your new password using your mobile number, or if you have created it with your email ID, then log in with its new password. So I have not been hacked, but I have told you a very simple way. Okay, if your account is recovered, then immediately tell me in the description that your account has been recovered.